Okay. Sounds good. I'm gonna go grab there.
Come on.
We got Cameron cleaning out a pit. Let's see. It should be Logan. There we go. Logan's going to jump in. And oh, it looks like...
Good luck. Have fun.
You can't use our excuses.
What, Darren going mic'd up and Bill going mic'd up for this game? Hey, can you guys hear me? I can hear them.
Yep.
Turn it on.
There.
Rory Ray.
Hey, Mama. Good. How about you? Good. What are you up to?
We can hear Bill now.
Okay, I'm gonna send you a link to
what you
YouTube
got
right now.
there?
We're in the finals, and it's live. I just figured maybe you want to watch it on your phone and check it out. It's right here.
Oh, you're ready.
Okay. Love you too. Bye.
I wasn't bringing it, so I gotta step up my vibes.
Wow, I've never been around you when you're not bringing it, Cameron. Your energy level is something I wish I had. And we have these little chitlins sliding down this super wet slide, which is fantastic because they're all soaking wet now. Yep.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Send this to Mama.
See what you have to look forward to?
I'm so excited.
I'm excited for you. Let's get it.
Yeah, I do too. That's the best way.
It's so much fun.
They got kind of like edible.
No, not at all. I'm just waiting for Tyler to get over here. I forgot I was supposed to commentate, and then halfway through I was like, oh yeah, I have to commentate. Sorry. Yeah, I totally forgot. And I see Tyler right here, and it is Tyler and Cam's time.
Baby! I got this.
He said, "Baby."
Baby! Okay, Chucky.
Thanks. Hey,
I got $1, Bill.
this 6-pack's done, right?
We.
That's what I was saying. It's the last one. We should continue it, right?
Yeah.
I would talk to Darren.
No, let's do it.
Yeah.
You're good.
Talk to Darren about it, but
You gonna roll over till next season?
I don't even know if it ever does roll over.
Yeah, well, that's what he just said. They just put one in. We might as well do it.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm going to put a 10 in here. Or I need 9 back.
Nope, she's gonna put a 10 because.
Yeah, I heard that too.
Yep.
Hey, Darren,
I love how you know.
I'm gonna put in $1 for you.
Yeah.
We're gonna continue it just into the.
Did you I haven't flipped yet.
Wait,
You only need 2. Do you have 3?
Chucky, you just gave me $1, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
You know what motherfuckers were upsetting you right now?
Darren? You want to do a side bet?
Ooh, he's confident right now.
Hey,
He's
Darren,
always
isn't
like
this your
that,
beer
though.
right here?
Bills. I
Did
mean,
we already?
this is the.
Did we already
degenerate
flip?
group right here. It really
You
is.
call.
All 4 of them love
You call.
to gamble their asses off in any
That's-
sports.
Is that heads or tails?
That's heads.
That's heads. Okay. Hey, Darren. Hey, can I start down there?
Yep.
Cool.
Oh, I love.
I'm going down there.
The team play here.
Yeah.
No, you. Well, ladies first. Ladies first.
Oh man, here it goes. Yeah,
No.
no. Didn't see you there.
That's the only camera that's not on.
Yeah, that one's not on right now.
Oh, my bad.
It's for the winner circle.
There you go. That's better.
Wow, we can only see her hand though.
You want to start?
Oh,
Oh, you're throwing versus D, huh?
alrighty,
like it.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all
Hey.
ages. Welcome to D-Generation X.
Brought to you by Pride Plumbing Services.
Got it.
is important. So is the company you choose to service your home. Hi, I'm Michael Littleton, founder of Pride Plumbing Services. We're a local family-owned company rooted in the love of plumbing and helping people in the Inland Empire. At Pride, we're setting the standard, providing superior service while delivering a 5-star customer experience. From your clogged drain to your bathroom remodel, there is no job too big or too small. Call us for a free at-home estimate. Let us show you that Pride Plumbing Services is the last plumbing company you'll ever need.
Oh, that looked pretty.
Darren got his shoes in there. We got hot mics on Darren and Wild Bill.
So during
Oh, she's closer. Knocked you out.
our commercial break,
Way to go,
our
Jen.
sponsor Pride Plumbing, and Darren and Janelle had Jennifer. Sorry, wow.
Good job, Jim.
Ooh, I'm gonna get in trouble for that one.
That was nice.
Have
Your
both
first one
thrown.
almost went on.
Oh, this is gonna throw me off here, and Bill.
Where's his mic?
I want to say it's one of these,
Oh.
but I don't know. I guess we're gonna have
Sit.
to fiddle with it.
Ooh. Oh, we need to do this too.
Yeah, we do.
Ooh, that's a ringer
Sit.
out of it looks like Bill.
Yep, Bill with the
Three.
ringer. All right.
Only 50%.
50% of the time, it works every time.
Believe it.
Psych. We can't hear Darren though. Darren's very concentrated.
I don't think he's talking. I don't. That's
No, you know what? He's very pissed off
Get some.
after that last.
Wide open, Jen.
Yeah. I mean, that's
it's uncharacteristic. Like
Yes, it was.
Ooh, that's close. That
Jen
looks
is
like a-
throwing well today.
Yeah, she is. She's throwing very good today.
That's a point for sure.
Ooh, definitely a point.
One.
Just one.
Ooh, just
One, Jen.
one.
Yeah, like lat action.
Got a 2-3 shoe game here. Man.
Oh, that. Damn. Thought that was going on.
It's in the pit. Chucky with his second
Definitely
one.
point.
A little deep there.
One point.
Ah, short.
Still to throw. Still point Chucky.
Get on it.
Oh, it is.
It almost pulled that one with
50%,
it.
dude. 50%.
Bill with the chipper chatter, 50%. He said, I'm throwing 50% of the ringers, 100% of the time.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Darren Yet with a ringer.
Hey, my
Yet
mom's
with a word.
listening. Be careful.
Yeah, it's coming. It's due. I'm not sure if he's
Do
a
that,
fan
Mama. I love you.
of Bill's shoes, but
Oh, that might be it. I
think
never
his
took
is
that into
close.
account. All right.
Depends on that fork. That's
ooh.
closer, I think. Maybe not. I don't think it's a point. No, it's not a point.
Neither one are.
No, there's no shot.
Wait.
No,
Nah,
you
it's
moved it.
out. It's out. Zeros.
Well, he didn't even measure the other one. He said, no, it's not a point. You're not getting it.
You didn't earn this.
Uh-uh. Oh, yeah.
Get on it.
Oh,
Damn. Let's see, 50%. So this one's going to miss, right? That's how that
correct.
works?
Yeah.
6-pack. Oh!
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see.
50% of the time, it works all the time.
When you're playing the numbers like that, let's see if we go defensive here.
Ooh! That was pretty.
At least it does take away a point.
No. Well, yes.
Oh, not anymore. Splash
Yes
the
and
pot
no.
there.
Might be a 4. No.
Oh, no, it's a 4-pack. Look at that.
Mm,
I think that's.
is it though?
Oh, we should have clicked that one.
Hey, sis. You watching? I love you. I'll win this game for you.
Yeah.
Love you too, Mama.
Wow.
No.
10-2 run. Now, I will say this is going to be a hard duo to beat.
Yes, very much so. This is kind of the favorites, in my opinion.
Yeah. But I think we can get scrappy.
I think.
My sister texted me, shout out to Mom. What the fuck? I love you, sis. Ooh, closer.
I'd almost just throw the other one away.
Yeah, I mean, maybe.
You got one.
One for you.
No, not a bad one, though.
Oh, man, you bent over.
Keeps me young. 10-3. We about to switch sides.
Ooh, damn.
Dude, chirp.
The cockiness of Bill right now.
You think that's playing in Chucky's head, though? See, he's getting frustrated.
Ah, short. Oh, I got lucky.
50% of the time.
50%.
Get on
This
it.
one misses. Yeah. It's a
Told you to
50%
be
ringer.
switching sides.
Look at that.
That's 4 ringers. I told you 50%.
Oh, I was gonna. Good job, bud.
But see, that's the thing is, Bill's the only one doing
It's every
anything.
other. Thanks.
Can,
If Jen gets hot, if Chucky kind of can cancel one or two,
Thanks. Appreciate it. You out?
Yeah.
I love you, bro.
Oh, we have some
Bye.
goodbyes being said.
Good to see you.
Ted's getting
Take
out of
care.
here.
The bunch ball.
Yeah, I mean,
Get on there. Ooh,
ooh,
that was it.
not really.
Not really.
Ooh,
Ooh, that was closer.
wow, Darren's
Decent.
off.
Yeah, he's
I
not.
think if we can get in Bill's
Check.
head,
That's all it takes.
No. The
Ooh.
horseshoes. Oh, look at you.
All right, let's see if Jen can put this on the stick.
ooh,
It's out.
Definitely a point.
ooh, Bill said
Oh.
it's out.
It's out. You want to measure it?
Yeah, I want to measure
Yeah.
it. Let's. Hey,
But it's out.
All measures.
oh,
All
Other way.
measures. All measures. Ooh, barely. Yep. See you guys.
0.
See ya. Take care.
I thought it was close. I'm sorry. I really did. I thought it was close. My bad.
Wow.
I hate
Sit
when
on
I
it.
do that.
damn. Okay, here goes the 50%.
Miss it.
Give me that 6-pack money. Oh,
Oh,
I love you.
every other.
See you next
That's 5.
weekend. Yeah. Love you guys.
Ooh, just short.
golly, he's online though. I
And
think.
we'll plan a river trip.
Oh,
16-3. Wyatt's got 3 more.
Bill literally said, "We'll see you
Bouncing.
shortly," and it's pretty quick. Jesus,
Love you, brother.
Jesus H Christ,
Thank you.
man.
Jesus is in the house.
Yep, Jesus Cristo.
Let's go, D.
Damn. D's off. Darren's off though.
No.
Every point has literally been from Bill.
These suck.
Ooh, I really think
Can't
those
throw these
shoes.
shit.
I think.
See?
Oh, okay.
He just heard
Glad
him
it
say
didn't
just
get
now.
you.
Decent it.
Literally just said, "I can't throw these shoes."
Well, you're clearing the pit.
Now,
Decent it.
here's the thing: do they
That looks
change
good.
shoes when they play us?
I know Bill's playing hot.
And does Bill,
Can he?
I mean, he could throw.
Ooh,
a shoe.
Jen got 1.
He could throw any shoe,
So like,
but
what's?
he's comfortable with his.
Yeah, that's for sure.
That's
And
going to be a big thing.
the comfort shows. Look at the score.
Mm-hmm. Pure domination through and through.
Overall, though.
No.
Oh.
I'll take it.
That's his tough.
Is it a ringer? You did the whole.
That's 2 points. They are on.
She said,
Sorry,
"Jump on
Chuck.
it."
All right, let's see 50%. Bill.
Nope.
Bill just told Chuck, "Sorry." Like I'm gonna get a fucking
Nope.
ringer here.
Oh,
Ooh, 2.
Good job, Chuck.
Good shit, Chucky.
What's the difference? There.
I know. It's not 50% anymore.
Damn, Jen.
Now he needs a 6-pack to make it 50% again.
I pushed her. I pushed her. I pushed her. I pushed her, bro.
I literally said fuck.
I was pissed off about it, bro.
who do you want to throw against?
I'll throw against Bill.
Okay.
I didn't think
Yeah.
anything.
If D-Mark plays like this, I'm fine with that.
Everyone's watching.
I think either way. I think you
It's
play
on
the game.
camera.
You're gonna be
Yeah.
fine. I think
It's
that's
on
the biggest
YouTube
thing.
Live.
Just play the game.
Play the
Don't
game.
be.
Have fun.
I got this.
I gotta throw actually fucking shoes.
Just over.
I gotta figure this shit out.
Your
I like the adjustment,
mic's
Jen.
not.
Good job.
Oh, you can kind of. No, we might have to turn you up.
Let's go, D.
No, I think it's from the.
Oh.
It's your turn.
Check fly. Good, better now?
No,
No? Oh well.
I don't even know which one to touch.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Yeah, I don't want to break it.
That one's maxed out. That one's broken. That one's maxed out.
Yeah, I don't know.
Darren is a little off right now.
We got
They look
this.
like zeros.
She's like, okay, TT. Thank you.
Is it? It's these guys? These are all maxed out.
No.
Tie like it's a ringer, but it's a point.
I see it popping. Over
on that.
on there.
Oh.
Oh, that's
Maybe you guys
a little
don't,
right.
Okay. Hey, one of these
There
is
we
low.
go.
Okay.
Yep.
I got you. I got you.
Well, we're right here, so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can hear you pretty good. But I mean, if you go over there, I don't know if it's gonna be the same.
I got you. I'll play with it. If I didn't know it was these.
Yeah, just
I mean,
don't get on
Yeah,
fire.
those ones were connected to it as well.
Because we hear Bill crystal clear.
Yeah.
Crystal?
Yeah.
Which one is down
Darren, she may
low?
need a little help.
So those ones are lit up.
Yeah.
So those are the
It's
ones
Braille.
that are working.
Yeah.
And so this one's higher. That's probably Bill.
No, but even if we,
That doesn't change the hertz.
Test.
It's hard being black and
I can hear
gifted.
you.
Sometimes you gotta throw it all down and get lit.
Maybe.
My bad.
Oh. It doesn't matter.
oh, no, yeah, there we go.
yeah, there we go.
There we go. Downed it.
That's
Bill.
Yeah, right?
No point.
high, Billy.
Bill
Billy's
point.
not high.
The other one underneath? Yeah.
Billy. Thank you.
Come on, Darren.
Now you can hear them all. Oh boy.
What else to come
turn.
on for,
Your
bro?
turn to
You're
shine.
doing everything I need.
Okay, maybe we should turn it
Yeah,
down.
hold on. Maybe it's this way.
I don't have to do anything. I just have to. I'm just the fucking trophy.
I would love for you to do it. Do something.
He's just a trophy wife. Right
Oh,
now.
okay. Sorry, my bad.
I'd love to beat the two Titans.
That's
There you go.
We are
Oh.
severely David and Goliath.
it's.
It's open.
I'll throw some sand in the eyes, maybe.
Yeah,
bad.
gouge. Captain Insano shows no mercy.
Grab his dick and twist it. That's really.
The old twister. Sorry for there's no
Yeah,
children.
sorry. This
That was
is
good.
PG-13.
Oh,
Yeah.
Plus 4.
Zeros.
What's up, brother?
thank you,
It's okay.
kind sir.
Special.
I'm not doing
Special
anything
teams, special
either,
players.
so.
Special plays. Special players.
You're doing just as good.
Get on it.
Ooh, nope.
Like I said, I don't have to do anything.
That's it.
It's 4.
That'll be game if
We gotta.
you can't ring it
Nah,
here.
Chucky can get it.
Oh. Oh man.
Well
Again.
done.
That's all
Oh,
she
they don't
wrote.
even need
Now we
those.
swap sides, right?
We swap sides?
Nah, well, this way, right?
Okay. Good job, bud.
Thanks, man. I think I only got 7. I think I got 7.
Good game. Hey, is your back tired?
Get on.
All right. I've been on, brother.
I got my saddle.
I've been
Hi,
on.
baby.
We don't have to take
Hi,
mics.
baby.
We're already mic'd up.
You already
But,
mic'd
but
up.
we are,
Yeah,
we-
no,
we just,
no.
We did a good job.
we did a good job.
Yeah.
We did a good job.
Now we gotta. Now you gotta go down and get some guys over here.
Hey, let's have fun.
Hey,
Oh, we're playing you guys.
I thought we were doing 3. That's why I said swap sides.